Good morning, fourth grade learners, and happy Friday. I am so happy to be here with you today on our virtual video lesson. And I just want to tell you how impressed I've been with you all this week. This has been our most successful distance learning week, in my opinion. I've seen some really in-depth work in our Google Classroom assignments, and we have seen the most learners yet in our Google Meet virtual lessons with Miss Pugh and I on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We had over 60 learners 2 of the days, which is one of the biggest turnouts that the whole school has seen. So we're so proud of you and all the work that you're doing. I know that on Fridays, I usually do a first chapter Friday or something focused on reading in general. But this week, I've really enjoyed doing the learning target about speeches, and I felt like we needed to extend it to Friday this week. So what you're going to see in your Google Classroom today is a TED Talk, which is by an author that many of you may recognize, and many of you have actually seen this TED Talk because I showed it to you last year in 3rd grade. So if you had me in 3rd grade and read with me the book Ugly, you have seen this TED Talk before. And I feel like it's such an important topic and speech that I wanted to show it to you again. And so if you remember it, that's amazing. And if it's your first time seeing it, I hope you enjoy it. What this speech is about, it's the author of the book Ugly giving a speech about his experiences in life. I feel like this speech is one that will go a little bit more in depth than the speeches you've read and listened to earlier this week. And I hope that you really get something out of it and you feel something when you listen to it. After you listen to the speech, you're going to go in and do a Google quiz. So you've done some quizzes this week already. The quiz today has a little more writing involved because I want to know your opinions on the speech. I want to know, after really listening and interpreting what the speaker is trying to convey in his points and the particular examples that he gives for his evidence of how he feels the way he does, I want you to tell me if you agree and if you disagree and why you feel that way. So I want to see some more longer thought out responses, and there's not going to be any multiple choice questions on this quiz. It's going to be all short answer, and I really want you to think about the answers that you're giving. After the quiz, I just have a question that I want you to answer in Google Classroom. It's our second essential question for this learning target. And it shows me really how you felt about the target overall and where you're at in understanding why it's important to be able to interpret and understand a speech. So I want to wish you all a very happy and healthy weekend. Let me know if you have any questions, any concerns, and if you need anything at all. And I hope you enjoy today's assignments in Google Classroom. All right, bye guys.